Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Canvas. Gemini Canvas is an expansive visual workspace designed to help you organize your thoughts and projects with remarkable flexibility. Think of it as an infinite digital whiteboard where you can freely arrange text, images, and various media elements. It's an excellent tool for brainstorming sessions, project planning, and fostering creative exploration, offering a dynamic environment to bring your ideas to life. To begin, simply access Canvas directly within your Gemini interface. Look for the New Canvas option to start a fresh, blank workspace. You can easily add various elements like text boxes for notes, colorful sticky notes for quick ideas, and images to enrich your visual content. Just drag and drop these elements anywhere you desire on the expansive canvas, giving you complete freedom over your layout. Once you have content, organize it effectively by grouping related items together. Utilize connectors to visually illustrate relationships between different ideas or project phases. A powerful feature is the ability to share your canvas with others, enabling seamless, real-time collaboration. Your team members can simultaneously add new elements, edit existing ones, and rearrange content, fostering a truly interactive and productive environment for everyone involved. To truly maximize your Canvas potential, consider implementing a consistent color coding system for various categories or project stages. Regularly review and refine your Canvas to ensure it remains current and relevant to your evolving ideas. Integrate your Canvas seamlessly with other Gemini features to enhance overall efficiency. Don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and organizational structures. Finding what works best for you will significantly boost your productivity and creativity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.